Hey, what's up, Chainlink holder? So what's going on? Today video is going to be very special for a holder of Chainlink. This is one big reason, and I explain and at the end of this video, Chainlink holder. Today video, as we decide to why what we do and this situation in this critical situation, sell or buy, because you can see here totally Chainlink is going down, and I am totally decide to sell it. But why I am going to sell it, everything and explain in this video. So keep watch this video. This is very important for Chainlink holder. So okay guys, let's get started this brand video. My brother, this video is going very special for Chainlink holder, because some holder ask me to what we do in this critical situation. So the decision is very hard. If you want to final decision, if you need to find decision to what we do in this critical situation, then keep watch this video, okay brother, and also subscribe this channel if you are new on this channel. So guys, first of all, you can see here this is the last 3 days chart. The last 3 days chart is absolutely and positive. So this is congratulations, my brother. If they give us this type of result, then absolutely I cannot sell and I am going to buy more. But if they give us this type, this is a very small change in last 3 days. Absolutely, and last reason, and I know, and the start of month, every cryptocurrencies goes down. Every crypto by 5 cryptocurrencies is totally in the negative result. Okay, totally goes down. But the Chainlink, I can't believe that why they gone down totally. This is the second week start end of this month, but they absolutely gone down. So you can see here the chant is plus 2.19%, but positive. Then absolutely this is good. Okay, they give us a good profit, and this if they go like this, okay brother. So if you can see here, this time they take a very bad dump. So if they take a this type dump, then absolutely they're going down. So let's check out the latest 1 hour result to what's going on in the last 1 hour, and then we decide to what we do. Okay, this is very critical situation, my brother, and everyone ask me to what we do in this critical situation. So that is the brothers, the decision is very hard, but this time they take a loading. So please subscribe this channel and also like this video, okay brother. So this time, if you can see here, the chant is a positive. First of all, a negative, negative this time. If you remember the 3 days chant as in 2 plus positive, okay, 2% positive. But if you see the 1 hour chant as a negative 2.73% and negative, so this is very better than it. They totally goes down. Totally they goes down. You can see here the chart result. Totally they goes down. Why they totally goes down? If you have solution to why they goes down, if you know to why they goes down, please tell me in a comment box. This is very important for me, because if they cannot starting growing upload and today, then I am going to sell it. Also I lost, but what I do, please tell me someone. My opinion as that too. I think this is selling time. What's your opinion? Please share it in a comment box. And my expectation is very good from that, but I don't know why, and those days they goes very fastly down. So what I do, I am wait, or what I do, please your comment is very important. Please tell me. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe this channel if you are new. I am updating you every good news or bad news of all cryptocurrency. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.